Hi everyone, this is Sophie with My Minerals. Step 1, you're going to wash your face and make sure it's clean and dry. Step 2, you're going to take your Hydrating Poreless Primer by My Minerals. Just take a little bit on your fingers and rub it into your skin just like a normal moisturizer. Since this is a hydrating primer, this is going to act as your moisturizer. Also, it's going to reduce pores and blur any imperfections you may have. Now when that's done, we're taking our round face brush, and this is what we're going to use to apply our foundation today. This is sold in shop and online. Now for My Minerals Cream to Powder Foundation. This is a 20-gram container. This is in the shade Stunning. It also has an SPF of 15. Now taking a round face brush, I'm going to be putting it into the product and swirling it around and grabbing that product. When choosing your foundation, you want to match your neck and not your face, so your neck and your face match and you don't have that line. With circular motions, I'm going to be buffing that into my skin. Remember to go down your jawbone and also down your neck. I'm also going to take a little bit more product and tap on areas that I would like a little bit more coverage. Really can tell how it evens out your skin tone and makes it seamless. Now I'm just going to apply it to the other side. And now it's on both sides. I would say this is a medium to light coverage. If you're someone that likes a little bit more of a full coverage look, then you're just going to want to take this concealer by My Minerals. This is a 5-gram container and in the shade Medium. This concealer is best applied with fingers. Warms up the product and applies more evenly. I'm putting this around my nose where I have some redness, also in any places I would like to have more coverage. This really is a very beautiful finish. Now I'm going to be taking our powder brush. This sells in-store and online. This is our powder. It comes in a 30-gram. It has a sifter, but I do not recommend putting it upside down and tapping. I recommend tapping it at an angle and you'll get the right amount of product. I just lightly dust this in my T-zone and any places I had concealer. I just put a little bit of powder on this plate and I'm swirling around and tapping the excess off. Really just use a light hand with this, it's just to finish it all off. This is the finished look. I highly recommend this. It's a very beautiful finish, seamless, and evens out your skin tone. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.